Hello students, so hope you are doing well. So here there is a passage below is accompanied by a set of questions. We need to choose the best answer to each question. So what I presume that you have read this text. So this is the same text which has been already discussed. So what I find out uh, means obviously you must have understood the text. What does this text point out? This text is giving idea about what? Um, Giving idea about emergence of life in a primordial environment and evolution of a simple bacteria dominating life, switch in bacteria's survival strategy leading to the production of oxygen by blue-green algae, and challenges such as volcanic events and asteroid collision causing mass extinction, resilience of life due to the diversity in forms, species, and individuals, and application of the diversity principle to the contemporary challenges, particularly climate change. So this text also gives emphasis on the importance of what? Importance of diversity in crops, languages, culture, and knowledge for humanity resilience. Overall, you could say that the text combines scientific exploration with a broader message about the importance of diversity in ensuring the sustainability and adaptability of life on Earth, isn't it? So, look into the question. What does the question points out? The question states that which of the following, if true, which of the following, if true, would most weaken the argument that the diversity of life forms and knowledge system is essential for humans' ability to adapt and thrive in the face of challenge, climates, and uncertainties? Now, we need to go for the most weaken the argument, right? So we need to understand that if I talk about argument, right? So what is the argument that you find out in this particular text? So, and if we find out uh, that what argument is given here, the diversity of life forms and knowledge system is essential for humans' ability to adapt and prosper in the face of challenging climates and uncertainties. Okay, so that is the argument, and we need to weaken it. Now, look into the option. First option says scientific research shows that certain species and knowledge system have become obsolete, which means no use. No use. The meaning of obsolete is called as a no use and irrelevant in the modern world. Right. Now, we need to see that whether option one points out any idea. So, as it suggests that right, some diversity has become obsolete, but it doesn't necessarily weaken the argument because it doesn't address the overall importance, isn't it? Overall importance. Uh, Overall importance of diversity for adaptation. So in that case, option one is eliminated. Now, look into the option two. Recent studies suggest that some of the ancient life forms, such as sponges and trilobites, would not have been able to adapt to the current climatic condition. Now, if I look into the option two, uh, also doesn't weaken the argument. It simply addresses what? The adaptability of a specific ancient life forms like sponges and trilobites, right? Now look into the option three. Option three stated that means the pace of climate change is predicted to be gradual, or gradual is uh, continual and predictable, allowing time for planned adaptation. This also doesn't make the statement weaken, as it is about diversity, right? uh, or you can say that, and it's a role in adaptation. So therefore, this option three is irrelevant, right? So because the argument says that diversity and its role in adaptation, so it is indicating the pace of climate change. So purely irrelevant in context, or purely irrelevant in context to the question, right? Now, look into the question or the argument. Next, look into the option 4. Obviously, 1, 2, 3 are eliminated. So 4 would be considered as the weakening argument. But let's see that what the argument it points. So human societies have often thrived by adopting monocultures of crops, leading to increased agricultural efficiency, right? Thrived by adopting monocultures. So if you talk about this word is very important, monoculture. So you could say this is the best available choice as it is a strong contender to weaken the argument because it suggests that monocultures and reduce, right? So monocultures and reduce diversity, isn't it? So can lead to thriving in certain situations. So hence, you can point out option 4 would be the correct answer. Hope you understood the text as well as the question's answer. That's all. Thank you.